All right, here is a super quick demo on an AI-powered chat widget that could be on your website that will actually book appointments for you even when you're sleeping. So this is my website, Prospect Capo. We use an AI assistant to book your business, more appointments, want some, and I have AI attached to my chat widget. So if someone shows up and they're like, "Hey, I have some questions. Can you help me?" What it's going to do is kick out a real quick automated response to give AI a chance to respond. It's to say, "Give me 1 second and I'll answer your question." Then the AI is going to jump in. It's going to say, "Of course, I'd be happy to help with any questions you may have. May I know your name to assist you better?" "Yes, my name is Austin." What it wants to do is it wants to de-anonymize the person and start building a profile while asking questions and booking an appointment. Then AI is going to respond, "Nice to meet you, Austin. What specific services are you interested in learning more about today?" And I'm going to say, "What services do you provide?" Because my AI bot has been trained on all the services that I provide. So it can be trained on any services on whatever it is you offer. AI can be trained on that so that it can answer any frequently asked questions and then still go for booking the appointment. Then my bot's going to say, "We offer AI-driven services to enhance business lead management, include 24/7 AI assistance for handling inquiries, automating appointment bookings, and prompting customer reviews. Which of these services are you interested in, or is there something specific you are looking for?" "I would like an AI-powered chat widget. Can you help with that?" And just so you know, I am cutting out some of the pauses just for the video's sake, but there is about a 3 to 5 second pause, so it looks like someone's actually typing. But AI responds, "Absolutely, we can definitely help set up an AI-powered chat widget for your website. It's a great choice for keeping engagement high with instant responses to your visitors. Could you share your email address with me? That way, if we get disconnected, I can send you all the details directly." "Sure, my email is aa@gmail.com." And so now it just collected my first name and my email address, and it's built now a profile and put that lead into my system. Then it's actually attached to my calendar, so it's going to look through my availabilities and offer some different times to hop on a phone. It says, "Thanks for sharing your email, Austin. To discuss the AI-powered chat widget in detail and tailor it to your needs, booking a phone appointment would be the best next step. We have availability today at 3 p.m. or 6 p.m. Would one of these times work better for you to have a quick 30-minute call?" And I could say, "No, do you have any time Friday?" Then AI responds. It says, "Yes, this Friday we have openings from 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Would you like to pick a time within that range for 30 minutes to discuss your AI-powered chat widget?" "Yes, 1 p.m. would work best for me." Then the assistant jumps in and says, "Great, I've scheduled our appointment for 1 p.m. this Friday. Could you please provide your phone number so that we can reach out at that time?" "My number is 616-222-2222." Now, here's the cool thing is that because it's attached to my calendar and integrated with my Google Calendar, that appointment now shows up on my calendar. If I go into my system and I go into my calendars, I can see that calendar, that appointment now has been booked. And because I have this calendar two-way synced with my Google Calendar, it'll also show up on my Google Calendar. And that is step by step how you can have an AI chat widget automatically booking appointments for you and collecting leads and contacts and answering questions for people on your website simply and easily.